Koenigsegg has returned to Monterey Car Week with a machine that feels like unfinished racing business finally brought to life. The new Koenigsegg CCGT1 is inspired by the original CCGT race car, but this time the idea has been transformed into a road-legal hypercar, producing as much as 1,600 horsepower. Underneath the CCGT1 is a technical foundation related to the Koenigsegg CC850, although the finished car has been extensively redesigned. Nearly every exterior body panel is new, with essentially the doors and removable roof remaining from the CC850. The result is a car that looks much closer to a modern GT1 racing machine than a traditional Grand Touring hypercar.
The downforce numbers are really up there with the highest we've ever achieved, and that's of course based on the shape of car that we originally conceived at the end of the 90s for the first CC8S.
Elevated with our optional track package.
Racing suit, helmet, wheels with slicks, different brake pad materials, different adjustment to the shock absorbers.
Incorporating a motorsport-developed pneumatic air jack system.
The track pack also features a carbon fiber roll cage.
Engineered to enable efficient conversion from road to track use.
The CCGT1 features the biggest rear wing we've ever made. What's different from the original race car, it's actually active.
In front of the rear wing, a new 5-inlet roof scoop feeding air to the engine while also providing cooling for the light-speed transmission and dampers. With modern emissions regulations eliminating the option for twin quick fuel fillers, this area has been redesigned with graphical readouts for fuel and oil pressure levels for easy pit crew monitoring.
You can also see its slightly wider stance than the CC850. The wheel arches are a little bit flared. On top of that, we have pushed our air core technology to the maximum, making a retro-style looking racing 3-spoke hollow carbon fiber wheel.
Optimized air core technology, combined with a new internal structural wall that increases strength while reducing weight, makes this one of our lightest carbon fiber wheels ever.
It's very much Koenigsegg thinking in a nutshell from my perspective.
The cockpit has been redesigned with a series of track-focused enhancements. An all-new ESS sequential shifter, inspired by the original developed for the CCGT.
Ambience of a race car with a race car kind of switches.
Placing greater emphasis on driver control, functionality, and performance. A brand new mechanical drive mode selector. Auto, sequential, manual, and reverse. 4 modes, 1 movement. Introducing the Chrono Cluster 3. Designed to keep the driver fully informed with complete visibility of the car's vital systems. And also our analog G-force meter seamlessly integrated. In addition to the sequential shifter, the CCGT1 features an optional 6-speed gated ESS manual.
And I remember for the first time driving it first on our airfield, then on Hockenheim in Germany. It was just the most exciting thing I've ever driven, and it's something that never left my mind. So having the opportunity to relive this experience now for our customers to experience on the track, on the road, is just unbelievable and so truly exciting to me and the team. Very much looking forward to getting these cars out into the field and being experienced.